We've heard from many people that they've received checks already representing some portion of their rebuild costs. Oftentimes, insurance companies are not sending you checks for rebuilding out of the goodness of their hearts. In some cases, they're doing this now because your insurance policy specifically says that your time limit to rebuild starts when they send you that first check towards rebuilding. Whether you rebuild within a certain period of time may affect whether the insurance company has to pay you for the cost of replacing your home versus the value of your depreciated home. In other words, your walls, your roof, your windows may be 10 or 20 years old, and under some insurance policies, if you don't rebuild your home within a certain period of time, your insurance company may use that as a reason to pay your family less. So be aware of any provisions in your insurance policy that contain deadlines. If your insurance company says they'll give you extra time, make sure you get that in writing. Your insurance adjuster could leave the company, and the next adjuster could say, I don't see that agreement in the file. I know it's exhausting, but be careful. The time to build a home in Sonoma County is going to take a lot longer than many policies give for that rebuild to take place. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to receive more tips and you're not already on our email list, just give us a call at 707-999-9999.